こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today kanji video number 33 of JLPT N4. This kanji means to cross, and we can pronounce maji, majiwaru, and ko. Stroke order is very easy. At first, 1, 2, and now this one, blue and green, and red one, and black line. This part is chichi, father. This verb, majiwarimasu, this has got two meanings, and the first one is to cross. The second meaning is to mingle, to associate with, or to have something to do with. In Japanese, we've got kotowaza. Kotowaza, this means a saying, using this verb, majiwarimasu. This verb, majiwarimasu, this is group 1. Majiwarimasu, majiwatte, majiwatta, majiwaranai, majiwaru. 主に交われば赤くなる。主に交われば赤くなる。This word, 主, this is the color. This is vermilion. Vermilion, this is like a red but very near to orange. Orangish red. Or this is orange but very near to red. Reddish orange. Translation would be like, associate with vermilion, then you'll turn red. In English, it's like, show me your friends, then I'll show you your future. To intersect or to cross. 交差します like this. These two lines are crossing. This like this. This is 交差します Intersection, junction, crossroads. 交差点 Ten, this means dot or the point. So 交差点, the place where 交差します In Japan, there are police box or police booths called 交番 Diplomat 外交官 To trade, to exchange, to swap 交換します And 交換, this is as a noun. I want you to watch my grammar video number 46 of JLPT and 446. Then there I explain about 4 different ways to say to change. We pronounce this kanji 通る or 通う or in onyomi 通. This kanji's meaning comes from this verb 通ります This means to pass by or to go through. The stroke order, at first this part, ma from katakana, 1, 2, and then this blue line, 1, and this green one, 2, and jump here. And now this red one and black one, and then blue one like this. The last part is shinyo or shinyu. 1, this green one, 2, and 3 long. Traffic, 交通. This kanji こ means to cross. 通, this means to pass by, to go through. So 交通 altogether, traffic. 交通 also has got the meaning of transport, transportation. 交通事故 事故, this is accident. So 交通事故, traffic accident. Transportation expenses. 交通費 because this kanji 費, this means expenses. So 交通費, transportation expenses. Avenue, main street. 大通り But be careful when you write with hiragana. O, this is not long sound. 大通り And we usually use u as a long sound, but here o, double o, And here, do o, also o, not u. Odori. The verb to commute, to go frequently or to go regularly. Commute. 通います。通います。学校に通います。Because I go to school every day, not only once, one day. No. Regularly I go to school. So 学校に通います。Same meaning as 学校に通います。Other verb 通学します。通学 this 学 from 学校。通 from 通います。The same meaning 通学します。Go to school. Commute road to go to school. 通学路。通学路。This road comes from 道路。road. Passageway or corridor. 通路。通路。We can use this word 通路 in the airplane. The airplane, passageway, or by the window, like this. So 通路, passageway. Do you imagine what this word means? おつや。おつや。This ya, this kanji is 夜、night. つ、通ります。This means to pass the night. To pass the night. And o with respect. おつや。おつや means awake. This is a gathering held to commemorate or to pay respect to someone who has just died. Before the funeral, this is おつや. We pronounce this kanji うご from the verb something が動く、動きます。something moves. Or something を動かします。I move something. And in 音読み we pronounce どう。The writing order, at first, this part. This is like 重い, heavy. At first, this red one like no from katakana, 1, and from here 2, this black line. And now this blue one, 3, 4, and this red one, 5 and 6. And now this vertical line like this, and now green line, and this red one going really up like this. Now this right part, this is か from katakana or 力. 力, this kanji, 力 means power, powerful, 力. So this black one, 1 and jump, and blue one like this, 2. A bus moved. バスが動きました。バスが動きました。Move the table, please. テーブルを動かしてください。テーブルを動かしてください。Automobile, car, 自動車。自分で動く車、自動車。Vending machine, 自動販売機。自動販売機 automatic door 自動ドア When we use 自動 this means 自分で動く It means to move by itself So 自動ドア automatic door Animals 動物 物 the things that move This is animals 動物 To do physical exercises To do sports 運動します。運動します。Action, conduct, behavior or movement 行動 To take action, to act 行動します。Proactiveness, initiative 行動力 We add this kanji 力力Power to take an action 行動力 Emotion 感動 Kan comes from 感じます to feel 動 to move the feeling move 感動 Emotion to be moved to be touched 感動します So 感動しました。I felt so moved. Activity as a noun. Activity 活動。活動。Then the verb to do some activities 活動します。活動します or to operate or to act. This kanji comes from this verb 乗ります。Something に乗ります。The meaning is to get on, to ride. The writing order at first, this one red one 1, and now this second one black one 2, and now this blue line longest one 3 like this, and then this green one and red one like this inside, and now this black line, and this black line is about the same length as this one, and now this blue vertical long line like this one, and green one to your left, and this red one to your right. We can also pronounce jo in onyomi. Vehicles or anything that we can ride on. Norimono. Mono, things that we get on. Norimono. Boarding area, boarding platform or bus stop, and every place, but this is place. So every place where we can ride, or the place to get on. Noriba. Bus stop. バス乗り場。バス乗り場。Taxi stand. タクシー乗り場。タクシー乗り場。To board, to get on. 乗車します。Boarding pass or any kind of ticket to get on. 乗車券。乗車券。This 券 means ticket. Passenger. 乗客。客 comes from お客様。お客様 this is client or customer. and 乗ります。So 乗客 passenger. We can pronounce this kanji o from 降りる。ふ from 降る。and こ as 音読み。When we pronounce as o, then 降ります。降ります。This means to get off the train, get off the bus, like this. 降ります。When we pronounce as o, 降ります, then this is irregular second group of the verb. 降ります。降りて、降りた。降りない。降りる。But when we pronounce as ふ、降ります。The same, but when we say ふ、降ります, this is group 1 of the verb. 降ります。降って、降った。降らない。降る。雪が降る。It snows. 雨が降る。It rains. The stroke order. At first, this red one, 1. And the second one is continuing this black one, 2. And the third, this blue one, this vertical one, 3. Like this. This is called 小里編. And now the right part. At first, this green one, 1. And now this red one, like this, 2. This is like ku from katakana, right? And now, as you want to write like ta from katakana, but longer, like this, 3. And now this blue line, 1. And now green one, a little bit going outside. And now this red one, the last part is this black line in the vertical one. Chance of rain or percentage of rain. 降水確率。降水確率。The quantity of rainfall. 降雨量。This kanji 量, it means quantity. The same way, the quantity of snowfall. Snowfall. 降雪量。降雪量。Now a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese using these kanjis that we just studied. 1番目。 Tonight is the wake for the president's younger brother. 2番目 It was raining very much while I was on the train. But when I got off, it stopped raining. Or it wasn't raining anymore. 3番目 Tokyo has convenient transportation. 4番目 This diplomat has initiative or he's proactive and he always does good job. 5番目最後です。The main street in front of the station always has a lot of traffic. I hope you liked this video. If so, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. I will keep on explaining grammars, kanjis, and also Japanese culture like this. So if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please don't forget it. いかがでしたか？今日もまた新しい漢字を5つ勉強しました。一つ新しい漢字を覚えると、それに付け加えて動詞とか、または熟語などを勉強できるから、本当に語彙が増えると思いますよ。そしてすぐ忘れないように、今習った言葉を使って自分の文章を作るといいですよ。漢字を勉強するときは、一日にまとめてたくさんの漢字を勉強するというのは本当に不可能だと思います。でも、今日のように1日5つ、これは大丈夫ですよね。そして今日だけではなくて、この5つの漢字を使って、1週間ぐらいはずっとリピートしながら勉強していくといいですよ。今日のビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。そしてできれば私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださいね。よりたくさんの人に私のビデオを見て日本語が好きになってもらいたいなと思っています。皆さんの日本語学習に役に立つようなビデオをこれからも作っていきたいと思っていますから応援してください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てくださいね。お願いします。じゃあね、バイバイ。